What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in like 7 days, or maybe like almost getting close to a week and a half. But yeah, my baby was born. She's healthy. She's growing. She's growing so slowly, but it's, you know, I can see it. I'm literally seeing the growth. It's only been almost 2 weeks since she's been born, April 28th. So yeah, I've just been staying home. Honestly, I haven't been driving, and I ran into an issue where I did a BMW software update on the, it said nobody told me this shit. Not even my tuner told me not to do a software update. I never knew that, so I did it, and it messed up my whole tune. So I had to take the whole DME out. I couldn't bring it to a shop or anything, so I had to look up a video on YouTube on how to take the DME out. So I took it out. I learned how to do it, and then I shipped it out to Finland with Auto Tune House. They just sent me the label and shit, and then I sent it. And now we're here. We got the DME back like a couple days ago, and I had to put it back in, and then I had to run the tune, and then I had to flash it with using this OBD port thing I have over there. But yeah, I'm gonna return a package. I'm gonna go ahead and return a package today, and that's pretty much it, honestly. I did get the R8 instead of the R3. So the reason why I got this one gives you directional arrows. It tells you exactly. There's a ambulance passing by, but I usually just mute it. If it's not KA band, I don't take that shit serious. The guy just gave me a fingers up. Tough bulls. But yeah, I just ordered the yellow DRLs for this car with the lasers. So I'm gonna be installing that pretty soon. As soon as it comes, I'm gonna take it to the shop. Next Wednesday, I'm gonna put the stock steering wheel back on, so you get rid of that check engine light with the airbag symbol. It's just the airbags. It has the European airbags on right now. So this is a European wheel. These motherfuckers sent me a European wheel. These kids are fucking dumb. Like their Instagram is my custom wheels, bro. They do not do service with these motherfuckers, bro. They're literally horrible customer service. I asked them to send me the full replacement American airbag instead of the European one, and bro, this guy just kept going back and forth. I'm not gonna be going back and forth with you over the internet, bro. It's just weird. Dude across the fucking country telling me some bullshit, bro. So I ended up just blocking this dude. I'm about to run the dispute of death on PayPal, bro. This dude want to tell me, I'm not sending you an airbag, bro. Bro, dude sent me the fucking internals to an airbag, and he told the shop to just fit it in there. Fit it in that bitch, and hopefully it works. Like, what the fuck is that? Nah, bro, the dude didn't want to send me the full airbags. That's a nice ass car. Tough balls. Minutes away. But yeah, running some basic errands today, bro. Haven't been streaming the last couple days because I've been busy with my daughter, helping my daughter, and like helping my girl out with my daughter. So it's been busy. Her mom was with her for the first couple weeks. She was helping out my girl cook and shit, clean while she recovers. But finally, we're getting situated with the baby home. The dogs love my daughter, obviously. I have them trained well. Usually the biggest dog, he's outside most of the day. And then, cause I definitely don't want to have him inside the house running around. He's big as hell. And our house is not that big. It's a small house, so I just don't want to have to be cleaning 3 dogs. So the other 2, they just roam around the house all day. Thank God I have a fenced yard, because 3 dogs, no fence is nuts. I just let them outside, let them play, let them get their energy out. Let's U-turn here. I couldn't find a setting on the R8 to put the K bands at 30%. I don't know what percentage is on. I couldn't find that shit on the R8. On the R30, I could change that to, change the percentage 30, 60 or some shit like that. But yeah, next Wednesday, put that OEM airbag with stock wheel back on, so we're not getting a check engine light. Fuck that. I'm just gonna buy a American wheel. I'm gonna find somebody in America who does it. I don't know why I bought a fucking wheel from Europe, bro. My dumbass got scammed 1,400 euros. Tough balls. All right, bro. Oh shit, let me just pull the door. I'm about to link it with my boy Trusty soon. He has a Hellcat of Death. About to see what's up with the Hellcat of Devil. Wow. Hellkeezy. I'm not parking like that, bro. I hate parking in the front like that. Oh yeah. Let's go do this quick errand run real quick. Take this shit back over there. Definitely needs a wash. Tufferson. I have the return labels on my phone. Hello.
Hi, Dan. What can I help you with?
I have to return a couple packages.
Okay, right here. On this side?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
No, it literally has every. The only thing I don't have on is X bands, but I have everything else on. K band and KA band. I know you guys probably have more knowledge about that shit in the comments. So you guys can, don't be afraid to let me know and help me out. Any good settings for that shit. Man, I'm just so fucking grateful to still have this car running. After that flooding incident, I thought that was my last. I thought I was gonna get totaled. Thank God, bro. I definitely think this shit's an investment. A radar detector. Like I said, I'm not the biggest knowledgeable guy on this shit yet, but over time, I'll let you guys know my opinion on between the R3 and the R8. But this one tells you the directional arrows where they're coming from. And I don't know if it has better range or not. Hopefully it does, because the other one, I saw a cop on the highway once and that shit did not alert me. So, I don't know. Florida traffic of fucking hell. I think I'm gonna buy another car seat when my daughter gets bigger. So I'm gonna have 2 car seats, one for my SUV, my girl's SUV, and then I'm gonna have one over here. So I'm gonna have 2 instead of 1. And she's growing hella quick.
Front K-man.
'em.
Front K-band. I like that. Because you wouldn't know where it would be coming from with the R3. This one tells you where they're at. But it could be anything, bro. It could be a school bus. I don't know. It doesn't really tell you. It's not really a police detector, you know? It's a radar detector, so. of death. I missed my 50, man. I missed that 50 of death. Is it that? Never mind. Is it that? Is it 2 cops there? Are they undercovers? Or what's up? No. No. That's just a street light. K-band. I'm wondering what's it detecting right now. Could be a street light. Only right? What? Do you mean only right? Fuck do you mean?
Front K-band.
guys, we still have to break in this engine. Since we got the new engine, I can't push it to its limits. So I gotta drive carefully. Can't drive too crazy. So it's a 1,200 mile range of braking that I need to do. So right now, I don't know how many I've done. I know we got the car back with like 3,200 miles, so approximately I need to get to like 4,400, and then it'll be broken in. Because we don't want to damage the engine and then it's my fault, and then they won't cover that shit.